Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an AirTag, an Android phone with NFC, and the Tracker Detect app installed. Open Settings and enable NFC plus Bluetooth. Without NFC, you cannot read the AirTag. Once those basics are set, launch Tracker Detect and tap Scan for items nearby. Hold your phone close to the AirTag, about 1-2 cm, so NFC can read it. You do this now because immediate scanning reveals if the AirTag is active and broadcasting its identifier. Once the scan finds an AirTag, tap the item in Tracker Detect to view the identifier and approximate signal strength. This helps you locate it. If the AirTag is set to lost mode, the app or the NFC web page may show the owner's message and contact phone or email, so you can return it. Make sure to move slowly while watching signal strength. Closer proximity improves NFC reads. If nothing appears, try rescanning and repositioning the AirTag relative to your phone. To finish, use any contact info shown to notify the owner and arrange return, or hand the AirTag to local Lost and Found. If you suspect unwanted tracking and need to disable it, carefully open the AirTag and remove the CR2032 battery. Use gloves and follow safety steps. If Tracker Detect won't read the tag, restart your phone, toggle NFC off and on, clear the app cache, and try again. If problems persist, test with another NFC-capable phone to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.